Hello and welcome to all of our clueless gamers out there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your microphone because I had the same problem. If you notice in the first 3 episodes of The Forest, the first one is going to be out tomorrow. You know, it's on the three first episodes of The Forest. My microphone is a bit it's very harsh. You know, it's just very unstable. Some of the frequencies just cut out of nowhere. I don't know why that happened. I'm using the Razer Kraken Ultimate, which is a very good headset. The sound output is just insane, but the sound input, the microphone is very bad. I don't know why. It's just very bad. And when I first got it, my friends noticed it and asked me, "What are you using? What is this microphone? It's just so bad." And I was like, "I don't know how to fix it." So I researched a bit and I found out how you can actually fix your microphone from going to very distorted, very cutting out every low frequency and high frequency, and just having a very bad experience with the microphone itself. So the first thing you come and do when you first get the microphone is just trying to see if you can fix something from here. And actually, this is bad enhancements. You don't have to use any of these. When you use the make noise cancellation, it's just makes your voice very harsh. It's not good. When you first get the microphone, the audio is just very bad when you're using it. So you come here and you see the instant enhancements. When you are going to use the mic noise cancellation, it's going to make it even more harsh, but it's going to cut out the noise, the background noise of the room if you're having a noisy keyboard or something next to you that's very noisy. That's going to be bad. Trust me, you do not want to use any of these enhancements. It's just bad for your microphone. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the Voice Meter Banana. This is a very good application. I suggest you all download it. So I just installed the exe file and installed it on my PC. You also have to go and get the driver for this, the virtual audio device. Just download it for Windows or Mac if you're on Mac, doesn't matter. And you have to install both of these first. And after that, you have to reboot your PC, obviously, for the drivers to take place in the system. When you reboot your PC, you open up the voice meter. So first you come here, you're going to see you have A1, A2, A3. What you're going to do here is put the MME setting or the WDM setting. Now this is where you're going to have a problem. You have to check both of these two, because at first I was using WDM and in the OBS studio, it was cracking up. So it was bad. So you have to check which one of these two work first. Okay. So we go to the MME cable input, Vimeo audio virtual cable. So I'm using this one. And here on the hardware input, the first one, you're going to put in MME again, microphone Razer Kraken Ultimate, the one you're using right now. Do not put anything else except if you're using WDM. So yeah, I have the Razer Kraken Ultimate. The first thing you want to do, this here, the IntelliPan, you're going to have to put this dot here at the very left low section, just where it is right now for me. This will just make your voice better. It will not crack when you're using it. So I will show you how it was before. So this is how it was before. It was very crackly and very weird. So if you put it up here, it's again not so good for a video. If you put it up here, I mean, it's just bad. So the best setting for Razer Kraken Ultimate is just put it close to low here. It's literally the best setting you can actually get for your microphone. It's amazing. I know. So the second one, you see down here, you have compressor and gate. Compressor, you really shouldn't use it. It's bad in Voice Meter Banana. I don't know, it just makes the audio distorted. And you get pretty much a lot of noise in the background. So if you're using a noisy keyboard, you just enhance that noise from the keyboard. So you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is go to the gate here. This gate is going to reduce the low frequencies that come through the microphone, like your keyboard, your breathing, and everything like that. and you're gonna put it to 7. 7 is I found it to be the perfect one for Razer Kraken Ultimate microphone. The next thing, which is a bit more complicated, is you want to go here and turn on equalizer on the first one. You just want to press it with the left click. It's going to be turned on, and then you're going to right click it to open the settings tab for the equalizer. So what you want to do here is go on the first 3 dots. What you want to do here is click on this, the line, come from down, going up, and just going straight. And what you want to do is set this to 126, which I found to be perfect. So you don't want to do anything else on this side. You want to move on to this one. So you want to set this to, you want to right click it and set this to 3730, which is the perfect state for your microphone to be in. Press enter, right click on the dot here, or whatever the dot is for you, which is going to be probably on 2000, I think. So just set it up to 3730 hertz, which is going to be perfect for your audio microphone. Then go on to the second one and put it on -8, which I found to be the perfect spot for this. And also, if you actually to reduce these low frequency cutouts, so it just makes it a little bit more smoother. It doesn't go like and just stops. You have to make it smooth. So what I found out here, if you put it on 1.8, it's perfect. It just doesn't cut out, and it's not noticeable at all. So whatever is cut out, whatever low frequency is cut out of the microphone, it's just not noticeable. So if I move this here, you see the line becomes very, very thin. So what it cuts is just a very smooth way here now. So it just cuts it very smoothly, and you don't even realize that it's cutting it. So yeah, so if you go here on the end of the panel here, you want to press this, so the line going down, so it just makes it smoother for when you stop using your microphone and your voice just gets cut. So this is the settings I'm using. If you want to just take a screenshot of it now and just actually use it on yourself, that's perfect. This is again for the Razer Kraken Ultimate only. So if you have any other headset you want to fix your microphone, and you can just go and buy one that's 100, 200, 500 euros to get a perfect voice. So we're going to head ahead and close this tab here. Now, this step is the most important one, because I found out that when you do this, you have to actually set everything at the right hertz. Fix some of the distortion that will come out, because most of the time it's just not compatible with your heads that you're using on your microphone. What you want to do right here is close it and right click on the sound settings, go to sounds, right? What you want to do is go to playback. You're going to find what your default output is. So you're going to go to here, double click it, go to advanced, and put it on 16-bit, 48 hertz, or whatever your DVD or we want to do CD quality, whatever is the latest one that you can use. I found out in Razer Kraken Ultimate, it's this one. Press OK. Also go here, double click it, the cable input properties only, advanced, and put it on the same one, 24-bit though, 48 hertz, perfect one you want to use. And then you go to recording. Here again, the second channel, 16-bit, 48,000 hertz. That's a perfect one again. You have to use the same one on each of these devices. You cannot use 100 hertz on the one and 48,000 on the other, because it will just sound very bad and it will be distorted every time you try to speak. The audio will be cutting out. So go here again, advanced, 16-bit, 48 hertz, 2 channels, again on the cable output properties. You don't really have to change these ones right here. You just do so because you can. You don't have any problems. I changed them anyway. I don't think you actually need to change them, but I did anyway. So what you want to do right now is close this and go to your Start tab right here. Press the Windows key and type in Virtual I/O panel. Open this up. And what you want to do here is go to options and press the internal sampling rate to 48,000 hertz for the Razer Kraken Ultimate. Again, if you're using another headset, you gotta find the settings on yourself. If you're using 44, 100 hertz, you gotta use that. If you're using 96,000, you're using whatever this here you're using for the max output you want to use for the hertz, you gotta put them all the same. So what you want to do is click the internal sampling rate on 48,000 hertz. If you click that, it will just help you change everything to 48,000 hertz. And after you do that, you have to reboot your PC again to set the settings up. And what's that's gonna do is actually fix everything on 48,000 hertz. Even though you did it on yourself, sometimes it doesn't do that. So you have to do it last after you've changed it all by yourself. And what do you actually have to do if you want to use this setting? So the voice meter, you have to actually keep open the voice meter right here, or just have it minimized on your icons down here. You just go to your settings or whatever application you're using and you want to use your microphone, and just change it from your normal default microphone or Razer Kraken Ultimate. Just change it to cable output VB audio virtual cable. When you do that, it will use the settings of the voice meter, and you will actually sound a lot better than you sounded before. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Your microphone just sounds better now. You can use it to record your videos better. You can use it to speak to your friends and not be ashamed that you just bought a 130 euros headset and it's just bad, you know? So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you, and also like the video. It helps me out a lot, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.